Hello world. When I create a drawing for CNC art, I work out the basic structure and how much detail I want. I use a pen tablet to draw naturally, and then I go back and make it as good as I can for CNC. Bold, thick, and heavy. I open up the cuts, and best of all, I round off the corners inside and out for the best CNC and material operation. Super smooth and super clean drawing. For super smooth and clean vectors. I use custom scripting and CorelDRAW to process everything consistently. I have extreme equipment, technique, and skill to check every line, every node, and every aspect of what I'm doing. And I check the actual kerf fit and clearance for plasma cutting, which then works great for all CNC cutting platforms. And then I have scripts to generate the files completely, consistently, and accurately the same way every time, which creates a zip file with all the files for download, which has a DXF, SVG, and a GIF preview image, and a text file with useful information about each design. It works in Inkscape. It works in SheetCam. It works in Cricut Design Space. It works in Silhouette Studio. And pretty much any and all standard vector graphics software. As a professional technical artist since the early 1980s, always practicing, improving, and excelling the whole time, I just want you to know that I appreciate you and I thank you for watching my video.